the Pod Network Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, our very special musical guest, Sister Sledge. Sister Sledge.
Huwag ka daw kasi magulo, sabi ng pusa mo.
Sister Sledge.
I love how this works. Because it's like, oh, the pussy hates you, but do you hate the pussy?
No, I love. Well, this one at least. This one. And our very special musical guest, Sister Sledge. We are family feud. I got all my sisters with me. We are family feud. Get up, everybody.
I don't know.
Dance.
I don't know why we went with that one. We could have just gone with something that will definitely give you LSS for the next few days.
Oh, okay.
Family feud! Family feud! Pinasayaw tayo eh.
I know, right? But it was, and
I'm still reliving my trauma from the first time I had to do that dance.
Because this is your second. Okay, let's this officially.
Welcome to Only
open
Fun.
this episode.
His name is Chico Garcia.
And his name is Gino Killiamore. And if you're listening to this today, and you follow us, and you kind of like are up to date to the shenanigans that we do, you probably would have watched our Family Feud episode.
Or they didn't
last
watch
night.
It, and like that's fine. That's okay.
That's fine. That's fine.
You didn't really miss anything.
Yes, you did. So
No. Alam
you
mo,
have to watch it. You have to watch it on
That's the beauty
YouTube.
of TV. Kasi like that's it. Once it shows, it's gone. It's done, diba? I have a
Nasa
special
YouTube
musical
kaya
guest din pala.
Nasa YouTube
No, it's not. Shut up. There's a special musical guest also. The Muses from Hercules. Zero Hero. Alam mo? Okay, so today we're gonna be talking about our Family Feud episode. It's a little self-serving, I know, but
why not?
Why not? It's the era of self-promotion anyway. It's kind of the thing now. So yeah, GMA was nice enough to have us on Family Feud. It was your first time in Family Feud, right?
Yes. Your second more.
Second, yeah.
Second. And but it's different. Okay, first explain. So yung first time mo to join, what was the thing? Like who were you with?
Okay, so
who were you against?
I was still with Boys Night Out, and we went up against it's been a year, so I honestly can't remember. And I kind of flubbed.
A year tapos like hindi na maalala, a year ago lang yun.
I don't even know what I had for breakfast. Like, it's that bad, Okay, but anyway, essentially, I have this habit of erasing traumatic things from my memory, and I just feel like life is better that way. You know what I mean? When you just.
But then you told me you won, diba?
We did, but there was a big flub on my part. So what happened was, kasi diba, there are like 3 rounds that you have to do, and then we won that. We came from behind. I think we lost the first 2 rounds, and then we swept the third round, if I'm not mistaken. Something to that effect. But still, we ended up winning against our opposition. And so we did the final 2 rounds na parang there are only 2 people from your team. And then
yung bonus round.
Yung ginawa mo rin essentially for those of you who have actually gotten around to watch it. And it was Sam and myself. Sam was the first one to go. So what people don't know, or what people I guess fail to realize, is that when you come in second, yung mahirap is if nahulaan na yung sinabi mo, basically you have to come up with something else.
Another one. Yes,
essentially you are tasked with not coming up with the most popular, but probably the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th popular answer. So kunwari, I remember one of the things that was asked during my round was famous Jameses. So obviously I would have,
James Bond.
James Ingram, James Bond, James Reed, and then like majority of the things that I said nasabi na. But anyway, I was okay with that. My flub was they asked me ano yung ingredients ng sinigang.
Okay.
Number one, and I know a lot of people won't like me for this, but I don't like sinigang.
Same. No, same.
I don't like sinigang. Yeah.
Same.
Number two, I don't cook. So I don't know what the heck is inside sinigang. If you were to ask me what's inside sisig.
I know what's inside sinigang.
No,
I don't like eating it, pero hello, kangkong, gabi,
okay.
Ano to?
Sige. Go ahead. Kangkong, gabi, radish, right? Yeah. What are all? Yeah. What do these things have in common? They are all
gulay.
Okay. What else do you know about me?
You don't eat gulay.
Exactly. No, so I'm also not. I don't
eat a certain thing, but I know what it's called.
I'm sorry, but I don't give a shit about what's inside sinigang because I don't like it. And so when they asked me that, I was like, oh shit. Plus, syempre, there's that whole, there's the whole
stress. Yes. It's stressful. If you think you can do well, think again. Because there's pressure.
There's whole pressure, and especially if you get the first answer na para nasabi na yan, and now you're rattled.
Exactly.
You're like,
crap. Yes, you are.
And so
wait, what did you say?
Too big. Oy, my argument for this is, paano ka gagawa ng sinigang kung walang tubig? Di ba? Paano ka gagawa ng sinigang kung walang tubig? Sagutin mo ako. Kaya ba? Ano to? Sizzling sinigang? Ganon? So tubig. And that's why I erased this memory of Family Feud. All right? Only to be replaced with yet another traumatic memory of Family Feud. But at least this time around, I
can already imagine, fast forward a year or two. Merong magte-text sa'yo si Vanya, Gino, are you interested to do another episode of Family Feud?
No! As in, meron na akong trauma. Like, I'm not even kidding. Meron na akong trauma.
Too big.
Because, okay.
Too big.
Yeah. Well, okay. Big. Here's another thing. What majority of the people that never get on this show fail to realize is ang daming matalino sa mundo. Ang daming matalino sa mundo. Like, as in, I remember a friend of mine sent me the link, so I checked it out. Tapos yung mga comments, yung mga, anong klaseng sagot yun, tubig? Parang tangina mo, hindi ikaw yung magaling, puta ikaw kaya dyan. Gago ka pala eh. Alam mo, parang, ang talino mo, Brad, Ang talino mo, Brad. Alam mo, parang, no, man, like that really, and I hate it when people are like that. Because, like, if you don't have anything nice to say, just don't say it. You know what I mean? Like, you don't know what the fuck you don't know what the fuck I went through to get there. Yeah.
Ito. But here's the thing. Ito yung parang extra. Kakainis ka naman, di mo maalala ko who you went up against. Pero anyway, here's the thing.
I think. Wait, no, sila. Was it sila Nicole Ayala? I think it was.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure radio. Kasi if you went there as Boys Night Out, for sure radio.
Yeah, it was Nicole Ayala, Chris Chuper, and then they were paired up with others. I can't remember.
Okay. But from the same station.
I'm not sure if they were from the same station. But I think...
Okay. Kasi apat kayo na Boys Night Out eh.
So anyway.
So,
fast forward to a year later.
Here's the thing. And then even before, ano pa nga tayo eh. We can even go back before we fast forward. We were actually like all-star champs of like another quiz show. Remember when we guested on Celebrity Bluff? Twice. Yung kay Uge, yung kay Eugene Domingo.
Oh my God, yeah, that's right. I completely
remember
forgot.
that. So
that's how bad my memory is. Like, I don't remember it.
We actually joined first. Yung kasama natin sila Kobe Paras.
Yes, that's right. Okay.
And then we joined, right? And then we won.
And now
right?
I know why you remember. Now I know why it's so memorable.
And I remember that when we joined, Gino, sabihin mo mag-picture tayo, pero ikaw magsabi, wag ako.
That's right. Yeah, we
Remember
did.
that?
We did do Celebrity Bluff.
Kasi 'di ba Kobe was so like quiet. It was more like Andre who was
Andre,
very
that
like
was
machika. And then and I think ang mas kilala mo yata si Andre. So chika kayo. So I was like, Chino, kilala mo naman si Andre, sabi mo picture tayo. And then anyway, that's not the point. I brought that up because we won, right? So we won. We won. Like parang merong bonus round, pati bonus round yata nanalo tayo. Basta ganun. And then after, I don't know, a couple of months, a year, they called us up again and then they wanted us to join. Parang this time around, kasi parang 3 pairs. By pair siya lagi, di ba? Do you remember? Parang by pair. Parang this time around, parang they wanted us to do parang Battle of the Champs. So tatlong teams na nag-join na before
na nag-champion
and
before.
won. So ito, yung tatlong nanalo na in their specific episodes, we're going together against each other. And we won again. If I remember right, alam mo, tayong dalawa. Like they asked us again. Tapos we won again. If I remember right. But don't trust me on the second part.
I would trust your memory more than mine because I don't even remember it.
Like, yun nga. So here's the thing. So imagine we were like grand champs, like we were like all-star champs.
Yeah.
And then fast forward to 2025.
Oh, God.
And here we are on opposite sides of the battle. Alam mo yung nakakatawa dyan? When they first told, no una parang, kasi I think si Marky yung kausap nila. So, ang nag-in-charge for our side was Cornerstone. Yung management ni Mark. Tapos tayo, we belong to the same VMG, di ba, kay Vanya. Pero sa inyo naman, si Lavanya yung nag-in-charge of the whole guesting. So, when Marky was telling us na, we're guesting on Family Feud. We're like, okay, go, yay! Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Kasi parang, I remember a couple of times, minessage na ako sa Instagram if we were interested. And hello, you know me. I kept saying, oh my gosh, sige, I'll get back to you. And then, sorry. I never get back to them. Because, hello, you know me. But, so, laging naudlot. So, finally, somebody else was in charge. So, natuloy. So, I was like, yay! Tapos, I didn't know pa na you were the other
team. Na tayo yung magkalaban.
Oo. And then, Vanya, siguro after a day or two, biglang Vanya sent me a message. Goes, Chico, are you joining Family Feud? I was like, oh, yeah, yes. Like, did they ask you, to parang on behalf of me? I was like, no, I'm in charge of sila Gina Boys Night Out. I was like, oh my gosh, am I going up against Gino?
Yeah.
And then message na tayo, di ba?
Can I just say, I love that this was so on brand for what our actual shows stand for.
Yes.
Okay, so. In case you haven't seen it yet, I guess this is a spoiler. I guess we can talk about it.
Obviously.
TMR scored a lot of points. They did very, very well. Boys Night Out scored 0 points.
Dapat pala before we did this, nagpa-homework ako sa'yo. Dapat nagpa-boil ako ng itlog para kakainin mo on cam.
Alam mo yung literal. Sakto lang. It's very representative of what the workday is like. Diba? When you go to work, you listen to the morning shows, it's intellectual, medyo marami pang laman yung utak mo, ready ka pa for the workday. Tapos pag pauwi ka na, tapos makikinig ka sa Boys Night Out, wala na, ubos na yung utak mo. medyo basura time ka na.
Ito yung nakakatawa dyan kasi 4 rounds. Yeah. And then, yung 3 rounds, I'm not quite sure. Basta definitely, yung we won it. Yung 3rd round, you guys were actually winning. Like, kunyari out of, I don't remember ilan, kunyari 6, out of 6. You got 5.
You got like 5.
Literally, you just missed 1.
Right,
and usually, yun yung parang, kasi diba,
and yun yung parang time, may multiplier yung round na yun, diba? Like
yes. Parang 3rd na siya, so times 3, diba? So here's the thing. Ang technique sa Family Feud is, do you play or do you pass? If you play, obviously, you have a good chance of sweeping and guessing all of the entries. Pero, ang problema, the other team, if may ma-miss ka kahit isa, the other team has a chance to steal. Yeah. Pag naman nag-pass ka, true, you have a chance to steal, pero
If
the
they get
opposite
all of
team,
it
what if
correctly.
they get all of it correctly, di ba? So you got all of it correct, except for one. So the chances are very slim na mahuhulaan namin kung ano yung natitira.
Nakuha.
Nahulaan namin. And that was the one round na kayo na dapat yung panalo.
Ay,
And
nako.
ito pa isa. There was another round that you could have stolen it if you listened to Slick.
I know, the balot.
The balot entry.
We were so distracted kasi with this accent eh. Mong babalot. What? Wala na, hindi na kami nakafocus as
it
usual.
could have been a tie. I mean, 2 each, di ba? But anyway, yeah, so it was so funny kasi like wala lang, ang daming depth.
Ang random talaga ng answers ng Family Feud. Like, kunwari, there was one question there na mga bagay na lumalabas lamang paggabi. And then Vampira was one of those. Like, that's not even a real thing. You know what I mean? Diba, there was one.
That's what they were telling us. Kasi diba, okay, when you get briefed, they will tell you na, obviously you will have an answer, and that's fine. You can give your answer. But a better strategy is, remember, you're trying to get what other people answered.
Yeah.
So even if, let's say, yung mga bagay na lumalabas sa gabi, if your true answer is my childhood insecurities, that's well and good. Pero ilang tao ang sa palagay mo ang sasagot nun? Obviously, not so much. Actually, so you have to come up with something else.
You want to know something? We actually had the unanimous answer for mga bagay na lumalabas paggabi. But we figured parang okay. Oh, of course. You're all like,
pok. That was my answer too.
Diba?
But obviously, you can say it. Pareho tayo.
But I swear, alam mo yung parang, and you know what? I took comfort in the fact that, you know, my mom is no longer around, so she could not watch this. So I was like, there was some comfort.
Gosh, I can just imagine. Just imagine what your mom would say.
Exactly. I'm so happy that she's in heaven now. Because now at least she won't have to see this disappointment of putting her children.
You know, if I had like a cell phone to heaven. Alam mo yung parang like, pwede ko makausapin yung dad ko at saka yung sister ko or pusa ko. Alam mo like, Mrs. Killamore, ano yung shady? Ano yung shady kay Gino? Para maipadala ko sa kanya. Please tell me ano yung gusto mong ipaabot.
Tapos ito nga, so I made it a point not to tell my dad about it. Parang, sure, I post about it on social media, pero parang hindi ko na sinabi sa dad ko. And then last night, after the show, so FYI, the airing happened last night as of this recording. So after the show, I went to my dad, and then, you know, we had dinner. And then while we were eating dinner, my dad was like, "Oh, I just finished watching Family Feud," and I'm like, "Oh shit, she watched it." And he's the most diplomatic guy that I know. He's the most. You know, my mom was always the hothead. You know what I mean? Yeah. She would always speak her mind. My dad was always, you know, hold your tongue, you know, be diplomatic about it. He was like, kamote kayo.
Oh,
you don't know. That's why I swear this show has traumatized me in so many ways.
Can you send me your dad's number? I want to message him something.
Leave him alone.
Ito nga nakakatawa. I've been like, how long have I been in this condo? 2000. And movie namin 2005. 20 years in this condo. Wala lang. I see the people here. Ganyan. Parang in the short trip from the entrance, lobby, elevator, siguro nakatatlo kong staff na parang, Sir, napanood ko kayo sa Family Feud.
Dyan ako nalulungkot eh. Alam mo yung, of course, I'm happy for GMA. I'm happy for Ding Dong that the ratings are so high. But it's always a constant reminder that like, oy, maraming nanonood nito. Kasi I remember the last year, after that whole Sinigang Gate.
Too big thing.
I went to the station and our guard, si Mang Val, he rarely talks to me. He just says hello.
Yeah.
Good morning,
sir. Good evening.
Ganun lang. For the first time, the longest conversation that we probably had was after that Family Feud episode. And he was like, Sir naman, di mo alam kung ano nasa sinigang? Kasi alam ko.
Yung parang, rub it in. Why don't you? Sige, since you're
the personal
into
trauma
like,
that this family
since you're into since you're into the whole too big answer. Okay, for the record, wala akong postiso. Wala.
Tawang kami. Nanonood kami nung round mo. Tapos, FYI, just so you guys know, so this was of course taped as live, right? Ding Dong, it's a professional host. He's done this
cool as a cucumber.
Cool as a cucumber. After Chico's postizo remark, I swear, mga naka-10 takes siya bago niya matuloy yung spiel niya. Hindi niya matapos. As in, nakailang reset yung production.
Alam mo ba, I was so disappointed kasi dun sa final edit, parang tuloy-tuloy lang kami, di ba? Sabi ko, ay sayang, hindi nila alam just how much he cracked up. Well, they posted it on their Facebook page. They posted the entire, like hindi siya makabounce back.
Hindi niya kinaya.
Oh my gosh, I cannot. At saka nakakainis. Alam mo ba yung yung dun sa audience, they were like shouting at me na parang, ay, alam na. I'm like, alam na.
FYI, ako yung bumulong sa audience eh. Sabihin niyo, alam na.
Hindi kasi thinking, what would you do in the bathroom, di ba? That would cause
as a bitter 0-pointer, I was like, sabihin niyo, postizo, alam na.
So I had to be very defensive and say, hoy, wala akong postizo. At saka hindi nakakatawa. That morning, we did like a Family Feud-ish thing on the show. Na parang we were telling them na, send us questions. Tapos para ma-practice kami na, parang pa-surprise kami how to answer. So, ang pinaka parang conclusion namin is, you know what? Obviously, we want to win. Pero win or lose, our biggest wish is, I just hope we don't become a meme. Tapos nakakatawa dyan, one of the writers apparently listened earlier.
Right.
And then after the show, lapit siya sa akin, you're a meme now. Nakakainis. So,
nakakatawa though. Ang start so talaga ang start ng contrast na sa inyo nag-top 10 pa kayo or nag-Family Feud.
Hello, kayo, puro mga nerds.
May practice round pa kayo. You know what we did the night before? Ayun, nag-inuman kami. Yung literal medyo hangover pa kami.
It's so on brand.
Sobrang raw for talaga ng Boys Night Out.
Oh my gosh. Tapos kami yung mga teacher's pet. Yung mga teacher, we brought you an apple.
Tapos kami yung mga nerd.
Exactly. Ay, nako.
Actually, yesterday, when Tony was talking about it. Tony was talking about it. And he was like, was there a time in our guesting that you honestly wanted to go back to RX? And I'm like, I'm not gonna lie, there was a split second that I was like, you know what? Maybe I should shift teams.
Yung parang, at saka yung parang like, ang daming layers nung guesting. Kasi nga parang, how many times did you have like two teams, opposing teams na yung isa, former member nung isa.
Exactly.
Kaya ang dami, meron tayong mga BTS drama, di ba? Ay, Diyos ko, Lord.
But I gotta give you props, like, on the round that we were up against each other, the buzzer, like, your reaction time was on point. Like, legit. No, I'm just saying, pinupuri ka na nga eh. Despite your own teams, mabilis pa yung reaction time.
Sabi ko na. Kaya nga eh. Sabi ko na.
Pinuri. Alam mo, if you just let it slide, okay na sana eh. Tuloy-tuloy na.
Alam mo kung bakit? Kung ba't ang bilis?
No.
Ganun, di ba? Tush, from behind.
No.
Tush. Kasi parang pag aabutin ko na yung maintenance meds ko. Tush.
Cholesterol.
Tush. High blood. Tush.
Praktisado.
Praktisado.
But you know what?
But yeah.
Man.
But that
so
was
Ding Dong
That was fun.
mentioned na parang he was like, oh, we'd love to have you guys back on. I don't know. I don't know, man. Like, you're a great guy, you're a great host, great show. I don't know if my heart is ready for it.
But
Maybe something else.
na-traumatize ka nga, no?
May trauma talaga
Parang,
ako.
parang every guesting meron kang something.
Diba? Na parang, ang happiness ko na lang dito is hindi ako yung patalo. Alam mo yung gano'n na parang,
Yes.
good na ako dun. And it's a really low bar to set. Pero at the same time, hindi nga ako patalo, pero 0 points naman kami, di ba?
Oo nga.
Di ba lang kami nakalusot ng isa eh. Alam mo yung parang, so thank you guys, na hindi nyo kami
You're welcome.
Pinapiso talaga, no? Mga hayop
Hello,
kayo.
Coronard yung kausap mo. Hindi, pero yun nga, hindi, to be fair, to be fair.
Wala bang game show na inuman lang?
Hindi nga, it has nothing to do with stock knowledge or intelligence. You have to try to think of what 100 people surveyed would probably say. Kaya hello, ako nga, first question ko sa bonus round. Sa basketball, kitang-kita mo sa camera yung itsura.
Yung itsura mo ng basketball.
Did you see? Talagang I rolled my eyes.
Alam mo yung, kasi, honestly, if
are the chances?
Kung si Hazel gets mo pa si basketball, medyo si
exactly.
Hazel
hello.
basketball, diba? Nakakatawa talaga. When I heard that question, I was laughing. I was laughing my ass off in the front row.
Tsaka yung kita-kita sa camera, naka-close up eh. Sa basketball, sabi ko,
So, pinanood mo yung buong episode. Ako, I'm not gonna lie, I legit did not watch it.
Kasi nga trauma.
Alam mo yung, pag may nakita ko na nag-mention sa akin sa Instagram, okay, repost, pero hindi ko na pinapanood. Hindi ko kaya. I had Colin's Kabarkada messaged me a clip of our episode, and he was like, nasa Family Feud, and and it was in a group with other friends of Colin. Alam mo, meron akong parang, please don't na
Can
watch.
we not?
Can we not?
Ganito na lang. Magpo-post Family Feud, na lang ako. Real or, hindi. Post na lang. Regular post. Tapos, i-collab kita. I-approve mo na lang. Para
I can always deny it. Right? I will deny the shit out of it.
I-collab na lang natin.
Besides, here is one irrefutable fact. I know na hindi ka gagawa ng reel.
Hoy, marunong ako. Marunong na ako. Tigilan mo ako.
Pero tamad ka. Yun.
Well, that too. Pero I just might do a post. Yung puro picture na lang. Nasa iyo ko rin kinuha. Hindi ako nag-take ng pictures. But yeah, okay.
Pwede bang yung
check it out na lang?
Game show na sasalian natin, yung tipong yan, may inom tayo ng shots, yung mga ganyan lang, tapos parang puro kalokohan lang, di ba? Okay na ako dun.
Tapos yung sinalihan natin, parang like, mag-reunion kayo, Chico, Gino, for as only fun, para teammates ulit tayo. Tapos it's a game show about sinigang and basketball.
Oh my God. Tapos ako yung in charge sa sinigang.
Ako in charge sa basketball, tapos hindi tayo pwede mag-swap.
No, you know what? As in, doon ko lang nalaman na may gabi yung sinigang. Literal.
Yeah, well, some. Not all.
Okay.
Marami akong kilala na ayaw nilalagyan ng gabi. Ako, I like gabi and sinigang.
Kasi kunwari, like, mechado, afritada, I don't even know what's inside it. Like, I just know tomato. That's it. That's the only thing I know. I'm really not, no. Like, if it's something I'm not interested in, I have no space in it for my brain.
Zero.
That's it. But if you ask me what's inside of a PC, buuin ko yung lahat ng parts na pwede.
Transistor, capacitor.
I mean, not on a micro level. But okay, that's pretty much
Thank
it.
you.
I guess you can.
Yes.
You don't have to watch it,
But watch
it's
it.
there.
Watch it.
It's there
YouTube.
somewhere.
YouTube nyo, Family Feud PH.
Okay na. The damage has been done. My dad has already seen it. He already knows. He already knows the feeling of disappointment in raising a child.
Yes.
But we want to thank our partners, the Pod Network Entertainment. You can check us out on social media. It's at Chico Garcia, at Gino.Killiamore for me.
All right, so we'll see you next episode. Bye. Thank you for listening. Ganon.
Bye, guys.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.